Hi, thanks for joining me. So I'm going to show you how I make my bases for these to sell. Isn't that adorable? So I'm going to show you how I do that and the process that I went from doing this, which is just a one thing, to this. And I can show you a tutorial on how I made this. Just let me know in the link below. It's more just a explanation of how I did it. Thank you for following me, and know you are important. And think of subscribing and click that like button, and let's get going. So I am working on bookmarks with the saying, "I smell snow." Gilmore Girls love it. So I've been playing with them differently. I did find these, and I was going to use these, but I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but oh my gosh, look how thick those are. They are so thick, and to double that up, I was too thick, wasn't willing to do that. So I happened to find, where are my open ones now? Oh, here we go. These ones, and they're a little bit stronger, but look how little. They're so little. And so I originally was going to put paper on them after I glue them down, just to give it a little bit so they wouldn't be as strong. But let me grab my book. So I mean, this can hold easily 4 or 5 sheets of paper, and then it pulls off just fine. Even, like, you really don't want to use one piece of paper with magnetic bookmarks, but some people do. So even with that, it works just fine. So then I decided that it took a lot of work to do that way. So I tried adhesive, and I didn't like that either. So I just glue them and stick them on there. Yeah, you pull them off just fine. Even with the one page, not that you want to ever use just one page, but you know, takes a little bit. You can't like rip it off, but it takes good. It works. So they're pretty durable. When I use magnetic bookmarks, I like to put quite a few pages in there, just saying. So I had my mom cut me out a bunch of squares to put them on, because I have a whole bunch of different styles I'm doing. And I started going, oh, they'd be really cute with corners. So I was like, okay, let me just punch the corners. No. So fun, easy, right? And then the idea of punching all those, no thanks. So I decided to cut them with a cute little slit. Look at how cute that is. Which will work out, and this is like really, really thick paper. So it fits perfectly. There we go. How cute. And to add to the cuteness, well, I think they're cute, I made me stickers to go on them. So for the ones that my mom did, I'm still going to use these because why not? I didn't want to purchase, like, you can purchase these pre-made, but honestly, I don't have the funds for it, so I don't want to. So I made a clear sticker. And yes, I know business names are supposed to be a heck of a lot bigger on things, but you know what? I'd rather people know that they matter. Oh, get off, get off, get off. Look at how strong that sticker is. Oh my gosh. Well, that just ruined that. Okay, let's try that again. See, I'd rather have people know that they matter. So look how cute that is. And then, of course, QR code sends you to my tree link or link tree or whatever that's called. I never pronounce it right. I'm learning there are certain things in my dyslexic life that I'm just never going to pronounce right. But see, look at, there we go. And there we go. Look how cute that is. Love it. Simple, easy. The only thing missing is the butterfly I like to use, but that's okay. So, how adorable is that? These are in my shop, my new shop that's up and running. So, I also have stickers. These are in my new shop. Links down below. And if you want a tutorial on how I make these, let me know and I'll do one. I use my Cricut. So easy.